We're going to talk about question number 2 on our polynomial activity. And the question is, when each edge of a cube is lengthened by 3 centimeters, the volume is increased by 1,413 cubic centimeters. What is the length of the original cube? So let's draw a little picture. I think that it always helps us understand our math better. And we see that each side of this cube is just x. Now when we increase it, we still have a cube, but this time each side is x plus 3. And as the problem says, the volume of a cube is equal to the side cubed. So the original volume, the volume 1, let's say, is just simply x cubed, but volume 2 is x plus 3 cubed, which is x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, now we're going to have to set up an equation. Our equation is this: x plus 3 times x plus 3 times x plus 3 equals the original volume increased by 1,413. Okay, looks like we have a polynomial equation of some type. Okay, let's simplify or multiply out this left side. Multiplying the first two parentheses together, we'll just use our FOIL technique. We have x squared plus 6x plus 9. But that still has to be multiplied by x plus 3. And that's going to be equal to x cubed plus 1413. Not much else we can do right here. Okay, now let's distribute the x and then just distribute the 3. So we'll get x cubed plus 6x squared plus 9x. That was distributing the x. Now we'll distribute the 3, so we get plus 3x squared plus 18x plus 27, and that's equal to x cubed plus 1413. Okay, let's collect like terms and see what we have. We have x cubed plus 9x squared plus 27x plus 27 equals x cubed plus 1413. And nicely, I see I can subtract x cubed from both sides and just have a polynomial equation that's a quadratic, which is a lot nicer than working with cubic ones. Okay, and oh wow, looks like everything here is divisible by 9. So this actually simplifies dividing both sides of the equation by 9. We get x squared plus 3x plus 3 equals 147. Now, like every other polynomial equation, we must have the equation equal to 0. So we will subtract 147 from both sides. That allows us to have x squared plus 3x minus 144 equal to 0. Okay, again, that's x squared plus 3x minus 144 equals 0. Okay, this is factorable. I wasn't sure how to factor it at first, so I tried, does 2 go in? Yes, it does, but 2 and 72 wasn't going to help. And eventually, just by trial and error, I found that it was going to be 11 and 14. So I have x plus 14 times x minus 11. That equals 0. Setting each factor equal to 0, x equals negative 14 and x equals 11. Well, the implicit domain here has to be positive numbers. This is silly. It doesn't make sense that a side of a cube is negative 14. So my answer is x equals 11 centimeters. this, and that is the answer to the question: the length of an edge of the original cube. Edge of original cube. And we have done it.